Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the channel where we turn ordinary houses into extraordinary homes. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you've been following housing trends recently, you know that offsite construction is taking the architectural world by storm. Today, we're talking about manufactured modular house design, a modern housing solution that offers incredible speed, precision, and high-end aesthetics without the traditional construction headaches. In this video, we'll cover what this design approach actually means, its biggest benefits, how to style your exterior to make it look like a custom site-built home, and the top design styles that work best. Plus, stay tuned as we walk through 10 breathtaking manufactured modular house ideas that will completely change how you view factory-built homes. What is the meaning of manufactured modular house design? To understand it fully, we have to look at how off-site manufacturing operates. A modular home is built in section components, or modules, inside a climate-controlled factory setting. These modules follow strict local and state building codes, identical to traditional site-built structures. Once crafted, the prefabricated modules are transported to your lot and assembled on a permanent foundation using heavy machinery. Manufactured homes, on the other hand, are constructed on a non-removable steel chassis and follow federal HUD codes. When we blend high-end manufactured efficiency with modular design principles, we get homes that combine factory precision, engineered structural integrity, and modern architectural flexibility. What are the benefits of having a manufactured modular house design? First and foremost is efficiency and speed. Because the modules are constructed indoors, work is never delayed by rain, snow, or extreme temperatures, allowing builders to complete a home in a fraction of the time required for traditional construction. Second, factory construction provides unparalleled quality control and material precision, ensuring tighter seals, stronger structural framing, and significantly less material waste. Lastly, modular construction offers fantastic cost predictability. You avoid common site-built budget overruns caused by weather damage or contractor delays, giving you a high-value, energy-efficient home that holds its value for years to come. How do I decorate my manufactured modular house design exterior to look good? The key to giving a modular home high-end curb appeal is breaking up uniform boxy shapes with mixed materials and dimensional architectural features. Incorporate a blend of horizontal siding, vertical board and batten, and accent sections of natural stone or timber framing to add texture. Adding sprawling front porches, covered entryways, or custom cantilevers creates depth and eliminates any factory-built look. Finish the exterior with warm architectural lighting, black-framed low-E windows, custom front doors, and lush, layered landscaping with stone walkways to anchor the home naturally into its landscape. What are the best styles for manufactured modular house design? Clean, geometric architecture lends itself perfectly to factory modular production. The modern minimalist style thrives on modularity, utilizing flat or single-pitch roofs, floor-to-ceiling glass, and sleek metal cladding. The modern farmhouse is another ideal style, seamlessly blending classic gabled roofs, light vertical siding, and rustic wood accents across modular blocks. Finally, craftsman and rustic mountain lodge styles work exceptionally well by combining timber trusses, heavy stone pillars, and deep overhangs to create a warm, timeless facade that looks completely custom-built on-site. Now, let's look at some stunning inspiration. Here are the top 10 best manufactured modular house design ideas that you can use for your next project. One, modern craftsman modular house ranch with exposed timber gables. This striking single-story modular home features a bold A-frame porch entrance anchored by thick timber posts and structural roof trusses. The combination of muted green vertical siding, crisp white window trim, and warm wood accents gives it an inviting, high-end rustic feel. Surrounded by lush, manicured landscaping, this layout proves that modular design can deliver classic architectural charm. 2. Minimalist single-story coastal box modular house. A masterclass in modern simplicity, this linear modular design showcases vertical white paneling and clean black-framed windows. The home is elevated on a low-profile platform with an expansive timber deck that wraps around the side, perfect for outdoor lounge seating and fire pit gatherings. Its sleek footprint and coastal dune landscaping make it an ideal vacation retreat. 3. Craftsman Modular House Lodge with stone columns and gable porch. This expansive modular design blends warm tan siding with rich dark brown trim and structural timber accents in the front gables. The front porch is supported by rustic stacked stone piers that add substantial weight and character to the facade. A wide central wooden staircase leads up to a spacious covered entry, perfect for country or suburban lots. 4. Two-story luxury contemporary modular house with garage. Exuding upscale urban vibes, this multi-level modular home combines concrete look plaster walls, stacked stone veneer, and dark metal fascia trim. Large picture windows illuminate the interior, while integrated overhead lighting highlights the garage doors and upper-level balcony. The cantilevered second story showcases the advanced structural possibilities of modern modular engineering. 5. Dual gable modern pavilion modular house with glass facade. Featuring twin gables with full-height floor-to-ceiling glass windows, this black-clad modular home brings natural light into every room. A covered central entryway connects the living and sleeping wings, while stone slab pathways and tropical plantings lead directly to the front entrance. It's an ideal design for scenic lots with lake or ocean views. 6. Dark industrial modular house cabin with wood siding. This ultra-modern cabin design balances dark corrugated metal siding with warm vertical wood panels, elevated on a large low-profile timber deck. The residence opens up to surrounding green fields through large black-framed windows and a sleek glass door. It offers a cozy, low-maintenance living solution with modern industrial contrast. 7. Suburban double-wide craftsman modular house with shingle accents. Designed to fit seamlessly into established neighborhoods, this modular home features gray horizontal lap siding accented by cream shingle siding in the roof gables. Shutters frame the double-hung windows, and neat mulch beds with low shrubs run along the perimeter. It's a classic, accessible design that offers maximum square footage and timeless curb appeal. 8. Cottage-style modular house with stone arch and wraparound deck. Combining warm beige siding with an eye-catching stacked stone archway window section, this home blends suburban comfort with custom stone craftsmanship. A white railing surrounds the cozy front porch, while an elevated side deck provides additional outdoor living space overlooking the wooded backyard setting. 9. Australian mid-century modular house pavilion with louvered screens. This flat-roofed modern module utilizes warm hardwood cladding, paired with adjustable horizontal wood louver screens for solar shading and privacy. The home features an integrated cutout courtyard deck with an open sky roof cutout, blending indoor living directly with nature in a clean, mid-century inspired layout. 10. Two-story glass and metal modular house with rooftop terrace. A stunning example of multi-story modular construction, this design mixes dark gray metal composite panels with rich horizontal wood siding. Massive garage bays occupy the ground floor, while the second floor opens up to a large wraparound rooftop deck with metal cable railings, perfect for entertaining and taking in surrounding views. Manufactured modular house designs have completely redefined modern home building, offering homeowners a perfect balance of speed, precision engineering, energy efficiency, and high-end design flexibility. Whether you prefer the rustic charm of exposed timber trusses or the sleek aesthetic of glass-heavy contemporary pavilions, offsite construction proves that you never have to compromise on style or structural quality when building your dream home. If you enjoyed this breakdown and got some great inspiration for your future home build, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more architectural ideas and home design trends every week. Let us know in the comments below which of these 10 modular designs was your absolute favorite. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.